Have you ever wondered what fuels the world of digital currency and decentralized finance? Let's delve into the fascinating world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Blockchain, in its simplest form, is a transparent and unchangeable system of record-keeping. It's like a digital ledger, visible to everyone, where every transaction is recorded and verified. This makes it almost impossible to tamper with the data, ensuring security and trust. Now imagine this ledger system being used to power a form of currency. That's where cryptocurrency comes into play. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money, which uses complex cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. It's like your digital wallet, but instead of physical cash, you're dealing with digital coins. These coins aren't controlled by any central authority like a government or financial institution, making them truly decentralized. So, in essence, blockchain is the technology, and cryptocurrency is one of its applications. But how does this technology, the blockchain, actually work? Well, let's break it down. Picture a chain. Now, on this chain, there are blocks. Each block contains information, whether it's a transaction, a contract, or even a vote. This information is visible to everyone within the network, providing a level of transparency seldom seen in traditional systems. But here's the twist. Once a block is added to the chain, the information it contains becomes immutable. It's like writing with a pen that can't be erased. This ensures the integrity of the data and makes the system highly secure. Also, each block is connected to the one before and after it, creating an interlinked, indelible history of all transactions. This decentralized nature of blockchain, where no single entity has control, further adds to its trustworthiness. Therefore, the security and transparency of blockchain make it a revolutionary technology. Now, where does cryptocurrency fit into this picture? Imagine a world where your financial transactions are not tied to a specific geographical location or government, but are instead powered by an interconnected network of computers worldwide. This is where cryptocurrency comes into play. Cryptocurrencies are built on the foundations of blockchain technology, serving as digital money that is secure, private, and in some instances, anonymous. They offer a unique solution to the age-old problem of trust in financial transactions. By using complex cryptography and decentralized control, cryptocurrencies ensure the integrity and security of these transactions. With the advent of cryptocurrencies, we've seen a paradigm shift in the way we conduct online transactions. Rather than relying on intermediary institutions, transactions are now peer-to-peer, offering an efficient and direct means of transferring digital assets. From buying a cup of coffee to investing in real estate, cryptocurrencies are revolutionizing the way we think about money and commerce. So, cryptocurrencies leverage the power of blockchain to provide a secure and efficient means of digital transactions. You might be wondering, why are people investing in cryptocurrencies? Well, it's largely due to the enticing potential for high returns. Cryptocurrency investing is somewhat akin to a futuristic horse race. You're essentially betting on the future success of blockchain technology. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies means they're not tied to traditional economic indicators. This can lead to significant returns in a short span of time, making them an attractive investment opportunity. Yet, this potential for high returns doesn't come without its share of risks. The cryptocurrency market is notorious for its volatility. Prices can skyrocket one moment and plummet the next. Further, the lack of regulation and the relative novelty of the sector can also pose challenges. So, while the allure of quick profits is strong, it's crucial to tread carefully. Invest wisely, do your homework, and remember, the higher the potential return, the higher the risk. Thus, while investing in cryptocurrencies can be lucrative, it's important to understand the risks involved. So, what's the big deal about blockchain and cryptocurrency? Well, let's recap what we've covered today. We've journeyed through the intricate workings of blockchain, this ingenious technology that provides a decentralized and transparent system for transactions. We've explored the role of cryptocurrencies, digital assets that harness the power of blockchain to offer secure, peer-to-peer financial exchanges. We've also delved into the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing, revealing the potential rewards and risks. Through it all, one thing is clear: these technologies are not merely passing phenomena, they're revolutionizing the way we perceive and handle finance. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies are at the helm of this financial revolution. Their potential to reshape transactions, democratize finance, and create a world where trust is established not by central entities but by transparent, immutable code, is transformative. Given their potential, it's clear that blockchain and cryptocurrencies are more than just buzzwords. They are shaping the future of digital transactions and finance.
Kindly like, share and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.